Hi, my name's Ross and I'm working at the Brilin Functional Medicine Centre and I'm offering functional massage, trigger point therapy and yoga. Functional massage basically is all about getting your function to where you want it to be, whether you're an athlete or whether you're looking at moving around the house more comfortably with strength, vigour and no longer the fear of falling. As a trigger point therapist, what we're looking at is a treatment that can be very beneficial for shoulders, necks, backs, sciatic pain, headaches. The list is almost unlimited because the muscles involved will refer to an area of the body which literally, it's such an intelligent system, it is referring to an area of the body where the symptom will prevent that same muscle being further injured. I can help people with the shoulders. The neck and shoulders, very, very strongly related areas. The shoulder is a particular interest of mine. So again, the four joints of the shoulder and how it works, opening up the thoracic spine, things that people don't necessarily think about when they have a certain pain, for example, in the front of the shoulder, where I would be personally addressing 12 different muscles that could be involved in that pain and taking the focus away from people's fears about joint degeneration. It may just be the muscles that are the problem. As well, being a yoga teacher, my focus is on the mind. Obviously, it's a physical practice. At the same time, the idea in looking at the mind and the ancient teachings that relate to bringing to the surface that which does not serve us, I've been focusing on the work of Dr. Sumorta, Dr. Joe Dispenza, where I have specific techniques that can bring to the surface the habitual patterns that don't serve us. Just as with our breathing, if we have a negative habitual pattern of breathing, which is unconscious, I can help you take that to a unconscious still pattern of breathing, more diaphragmatic, that literally is healthier. So we don't have to think about our breathing all the time, but we do need a practice that changes the unconscious pattern. And as it becomes healthier, of course, it affects us in ways we can't imagine. The breathing, of course, when we're further oxygenating the tissues, we find that our energy levels rise. With a rise in available energy, we improve our stomach acidity, we reduce the alkalinity of our tissues. And of course, with a flowing movement, which accommodates an individual's specific relative weaknesses and stiffnesses and other symptoms they may be experiencing at the level of the hip or knee or ankle, we find we can make improvements that weren't necessarily even contemplated when the person first came for treatment. Obviously, as we bring emotional patterns to the surface, which is the focus with Dr. Joe and Dr. Sue, the idea is that we have specific patterns of treatment that allow people to let those lesser patterns go, no longer being the person that would have created the reaction. We find ourselves experiencing the same stimulus. We meet a person or have an event that would otherwise have created a reaction within us. We lose that reaction, and as a result, we create another level of health and wellness. So I can help on many levels, and if you want to book in to see me, simply look at the information below and book in to see me, and I look forward to seeing you.